The 7 best hotels in the world. Number 7. Baur au Lac, Zurich. The hotel has a direct view of Lake Zurich and the Alps, but there are other lovely views as well. Inside, rooms are attractively designed in neutral tones with crimson, purple, and teal highlights, fusing Art Deco, Louis XVI, and Regency styles. While offering the ultimate in comfort and privacy. Number 6. Hotel SP34, Copenhagen. This 118-room hotel with 3 townhouses is situated in the Latin Quarter. Hotel SP34 provides so much social stimulation that you never have to leave to find a good time. It's a haven for creative types that prefer casual luxury. Number 5. Badrutt's Palace, St. Moritz, Switzerland. This luxurious 5-star hotel in the center of St. Moritz offers panoramic views over the Engadine Alps and Lake St. Moritz. It features 6 restaurants, an indoor pool, and a free shuttle service to the Corvatsch cable car, 500 feet away. The elegant rooms at Badrutt's Palace Hotel overlook the mountains and the town or lake. Number 4. Borgo Santo Pietro, Palazzetto, Italy. Relais Borgo, Santo Pietro has 5 hectares of private gardens. It features a swimming pool with bar and terrace. Rooms and suites are elegant and spacious, decorated in a Baroque style with hand-painted wall art and silk tapestries. Some bathrooms have clawfoot tubs, antique mirrors, and chandeliers. Number 3. Raffles Istanbul. Being the one and only hotel with 5-star award given by Forbes Travel Guide in 2019. Located in the Zorlu Center, which hosts a shopping mall with elite restaurants and world-famous brands. The property features an array of facilities like spa, wellness center, and a 24-hour fitness center. Number 2. Waldorf Astoria Shanghai on the Bund. Waldorf Astoria Shanghai on the Bund offers a heritage ambience. Legendary service and timeless amenities to make your stay truly memorable and distinct. Extensive banquet facilities with stunning views, luxury spa, fully fitted gym. Number 1. Mamounia, Marrakech. Mamounia and Marrakech's modern past are essentially inseparable. Moorish design elements can be seen everywhere, from the patio to the entryway to the bathrooms. The lighter greens and pinks stand out against the darker materials and woods. Thanks for watching. For even more information about each property mentioned in this video, check out the video description below to find links to each one of the properties. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.